How to fix your network is unstable, tap to retry, error on TikTok. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. Today's video is about how you guys can fix your TikTok's network problem. Now before we begin, if you guys are new to our channel, head down below and hit the subscribe button so you don't miss out on our future videos. Also press the bell icon so you get notified whenever we release a new video. Now let's begin. So to fix your TikTok's unstable network issue, what you'll first need to do is make sure you're connected to your Wi-Fi. If your Wi-Fi is the issue, try connecting to your mobile data and that should fix your problem. If even mobile data does not work and you only use your Wi-Fi, try to restart your router and restart your modem as well. Now moving on with the troubleshooting at TikTok. First, what you'll need to do is check if your app is up to date. Sometimes, due to your app being old or not up to the latest version, you might face some technical glitches. So to fix that, head over to your App Store. On your App Store, search for TikTok. After you search for TikTok, check if there is an update available. If there is, tap on the update button and then update your app. After you've done that, if it still does not work, it will clear out TikTok's cache. To do that, head over to your settings. On your settings, you'll find apps. Head over to app settings. On your app settings, you should find TikTok. Tap on TikTok to open it up. After you open up your TikTok, you'll find storage and cache. Tap on it. Then you'll find the clear cache option. Tap on that to clear out TikTok's cache. After doing that, your problem should be fixed. And that is all for today's video. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more. Bye bye and take care.